about the Vicks Vaco. That's why I was late this morning. Did you know that the Vicks ointment was born from the heartbreak of a father? One night in the late 1800s in North Carolina, a young boy looked up at his father with tearful eyes and whispered, "Dad, my chest hurts." He couldn't stop coughing. No syrup worked. Nothing brought relief. That father, Lunsford Richardson, he was a small town pharmacist. But that night, he wasn't just a chemist. He was a desperate dad. He locked himself in his little lab and mixed together everything he had. Camphor, menthol, eucalyptus. He was searching for air, for peace. What he found was a thick ointment that, when rubbed on his children's chest, helped them breathe and finally rest. This would become the Vicks we all know today. At first, no one believed in him. He knocked on doors, was met with laughter and doubt. But in 1918, when the flu swept across the world, his formula became a beacon of hope. People couldn't get enough. The ointment, born from grief, began to heal thousands. But perhaps the most heartbreaking part, one of his sons died before the discovered formula. He never got to see his own child healed. That emptiness pushed Lunsford to keep going. Today, the smell many of us associate with a mother's care is also a reminder of a father's love that